right, so when we went to Deluxe when we were in San Francisco, Jim also gave me a board, and I skate for BLUETILE. I called Dave, he was like, yeah, spray paint it. Jim also said spray paint it and I can skate it, but since it's a real board, I'm just gonna give it to Claire as her first skateboard.
Because I'm the real skater here.
We also got some Thunder Trucks hollows. Shout out to Jim, thank you Jim. And we got some Spitfire Classics. So Claire has a full brand new setup right here. Christmas complete. This is her first skateboard, her first real full setup board. I actually don't know what this is, but somebody left a comment saying he doesn't even know the most OG grip tape brand in the game or something. And I've always skated Jessup. I don't really like anything else. Don't fuck this up.
No, you taught me how to do this already. Because I've upgraded since the last video and I'm his girlfriend, not just a Tinder date.
Well, you were my girlfriend then. I just needed that title.
I know, you just clickbaited me.
So I'm setting it up because I've got to be somewhere. So when you get to the point where you need a new board, you always want to keep your back truck and your front truck the same. So like when you take your trucks off, look at them and remember which one is your back and which one is your front, because your bushings and your trucks get used to your weight. So, I mean, you can do it the other way if you want, but it's gonna feel weird and you're gonna have to it would actually probably be better for your trucks if you switched them out, but I don't do that and I don't know anyone who does that. You now officially have your first Christmas complete in 3, 2, 1.
Merry Christmas on January 4th.
It's called a Christmas complete because you got everything new.
Thumbnail.
Are you soaked?
I'm so excited.
It's your first board.
I'm gonna be pro now.
How's your test drive?
It's going well. I've already slammed once. There's a bee. There's a bee! No, this feels way different than your board. It's like way slicker or something.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Maybe I've just lost my touch, but it just feels slimier, you know?
Her first test drive. I think she likes it. Oh, and she can turn. Because I didn't tighten the trucks at all, so that she'd be able to. Does it feel better to you?
It feels like a Christmas complete.
Yeah, but like, does it feel better being able to turn? Because you couldn't on my board because my trucks are way tighter than that.
Oh, true.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Yeah, because you're like leaning and turning.
Yeah.
You never did that before.
That's true.
You just like started doing it, and you didn't even notice.
Okay, it's 2019 now, so 2024, I'm coming for pros. Oh, it's on 30.
Okay. All right. Well, when you get back here, we'll have a session. Are you ready?
Do you miss me?
I missed you. Of course I missed you. Are you ready to try out your new board?
Yep.
I'm breathing heavily.
Gotta hike up my pants.
Do you want to try? Maybe that ramp. It's mellow.
Do what on the ramp?
Just ride down it.
Down the ramp?
Yeah. That one's mellow. That one.
Oh, I was looking at the rail. I was like, you're way ahead of me right now.
It'd probably be easier for you to go down this side right here because it's really nice and smooth.
Where do I go after this?
Just go straight. You can jump off before you get there, or you can either try and... It would actually be good if you tried to go down this and then try to kick turn and turn around the way I showed you last time. All right. Just don't forget, bend your knees, lean forward. I don't think you've went down from the top of a ramp yet. You only did that one drop in.
I've only, yeah.
You didn't go down from like the top of a ramp actually.
And the other one was really small too.
You got it, so just lean forward when you get over the hump right here and bend your knees and do the same thing that I told you when you drop in. Bend your knees and lean forward over your nose.
Bend your knees and lean forward.
I'll stand down here so I can catch you again.
Landed.
That is so crazy how you just came out of that. Do you see that?
That's good. That was crazy.
You gotta lean forward.
Okay. I mean, obviously there's a dip, but I just wasn't expecting.
Yeah, you gotta, that's why you gotta bend your knees and lean forward. You gotta prepare for it because it'll shoot you backwards.
I don't want to go up there.
You're going fast.
I know.
Yeah, this ground is way smoother and your board, your wheels are new. So like everything's new. You're gonna go a lot faster.
I'm slick and sliding.
Yeah.
Just call me Lube.
I got you. You're good.
I did it.
You did.
I just don't like going up
Good
the ramp.
job. You could try and kick turn on this one now. This one's a little bigger, so you can go up higher even than the last time. What you can do is start halfway on the ramp so you can get more, like a good amount of speed. You don't need to go super fast, and then do the kick turn.
I'm stoked that I learned how to pop my board up. I'm just gonna do that all day. Also, no mall grab party, people. Look at that.
Yeah.
I've learned from my mistakes.
There we go. There we go. Slowly but surely. Come on, guys, give her a break.
Oh.
No, that's good. That's good practice. Just lean forward and yeah, stay over the nose. And bend your knees. You got it. What?
Oh,
Nice. Almost first try.
Ready?
Yeah. So since the trucks are looser, what you can also do is like lean into the kick turn also, and it'll help you turn better.
Because when I go down, I like don't know where to, because I start like this, yeah?
Yeah.
And then once I drop down, what do I do with this foot? Like where do I
Leave it
position
on the
to?
back because that's
Leave it here?
yeah, because you're gonna want to, when you kick turn, you lift up the front.
Okay.
Yeah, so you want it, the back is gonna be all your control. So that's why you want that foot back there.
Okay, because I was trying to get it like here for stability, but then I went up here and I was now I'm just moving it back.
Be back like this. Here, I'll show you. Just be like this. Back here, and then keep your other foot like half of over the front truck.
Oh, okay.
Over the two bottom bolts is good. But the wider the stance is like the more control you're gonna have.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, you got excited.
Almost, I know. I always look at you for approval.
I know. I do the same shit. Are you all right?
Slamming.
How's your elbow?
Ugh, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm A-okay. How are you?
Jesus Christ. Yeah, there you go.
Smooth like butter.
You need more speed. More. One more. Yeah.
Better.
Yeah, that's good. Bend your knees. Keep your foot in the pocket.
In the pocket.
Yeah. In the pocket of the tail. Yeah. You gotta take one more push. Claire made a friend. Oh. Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Thank you. Ooh, your hand is gross.
Oh yeah.